The best fell top of all, with fairy tale attractiveness, a shaggy terrier amongst hounds. For any Wainwright lovers out there, of course I'm talking about Haystacks. In this video, my good friends David and Sapphron undertake one of my favourite and least strenuous walks up this delightful fell. At one point we'll take a break in the shelter that is Warnscale, Bothy, a place I've spent many a night in actually over the years, but do check out a link in the description about the Bothy Code, courtesy of the Mountain Body Association, run by volunteers who look after these delightful shelters that you can find across northern England, but mostly in Scotland. More importantly, treat it with respect and leave no trace. As always, please be adventure smart. It's easy to get lost in mist and storms on the summit of Haystacks, so it's important to be prepared, have the right equipment with you, good navigation skills. Other than that, I hope you enjoy the video, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share the channel.
So what have you got in store for us today, David?
Well, we can't come to Buttermere and talk about Alfred Wainwright and use his guidebooks and all that sort of stuff without visiting his favourite fell. So, it's Haystacks today. It couldn't be anything else. But in some of his writings, he say, you shouldn't rush at these things. You need to take your time, find a nice route and explore the area. So instead of rushing up Scarth Gap and then onto Haystacks, we'll take this route.
Fabulous.
Hopefully we'll find the Warnscale Bothy and then go from there.
Fabulous. It's strange being out without the dog.
Yes.
She's on holiday with her dad in Wales this week.
I think she would have enjoyed this, really.
She would have enjoyed it, especially if we're taking our time about it.
It must have rained a lot because these streams are really quite full.
There is a lot of water, but it does make the waterfalls pretty, so
yeah,
that's a bonus.
So have you noticed that some sections of the path have been constructed?
They have, yes.
Yeah, there's a level platform. They put a retaining wall and nice sweeping bends, easy gradient. Because of course you used to bring pack animals up here to take the slate away. And of course the classic one is the one on the other side, which goes right across the fell and then swings round and goes up towards the huts and the quarries up there. How many miners walk that and how often? It's unbelievable, isn't it?
So presumably that was before Wainwright's days?
Oh yes, we're talking 18th century, that sort of time. Yeah, 18th, 19th century, absolutely, yeah. But if we look back, I was talking to Joss the other day, and he was talking about the lakes, Buttermere, and Crummock Water, and he said if you move Melbrake you'd be able to get see Loweswater as well. And he's absolutely right.
He is.
Old days, right in the way. It look like the weather's just about to change.
Yeah, it's not looking good, is it?
No.
In fact, as you said that, here comes the rain.
Yeah,
Oh well.
let's move on.
Onwards and upwards. So where are we now, David?
Well, this is Warnscale, Bothy.
Just in time.
Yeah. It's lashing down out there. It's an old miner's hut, really, because there was a slate mine on this side of the stream, and there was a much more successful one on the other side of the stream on Fleetwith Pike, and it too has its own little hut. It's called Dub's Hut. It used to belong, not to be long, it used to be used by Lancaster Mountaineering Club, and in my youth I would stay there.
Oh, lucky you.
Yeah. And people do stay here. It's a refuge, really, now. If somebody gets caught out, or if they want to, you know.
It's better equipped than I imagined. I thought it would just be four walls.
No.
No, it's got a little fireplace and everything.
It was just a tumble down shed at one stage, and then they put the Mountain Bothies Association put a new roof on it. Managed to find slate to put slate on it. Anyway, that didn't work too well, and so anyway, it's got a much more modern roof with it's boarded on the inside, and there's felt on the top of that, and then there's slate on the top of that. So it looks fairly sound, doesn't it? It's dry anyway.
I could quite happily spend the night here.
Yeah, right. Yeah, it's a bit.
Spent the night in worse places.
But the view is superb, isn't it?
When you can see it.
Yeah.
Oh, it's coming. It's clearing up again.
Yeah. So there's Buttermere. And the whole of the valley, yeah. But there's a story associated with Buttermere. 1795, Joseph Budworth came to the Lake District. He was a bit of a scribbler. He wrote for the Gentleman's Magazine, and he did this fortnight's tour to the Lake District. And he fetched up at the fish inn in Buttermere. And there was this beautiful young woman. Yes. And he, well, yes, she was, allegedly, everybody says so, she was an absolute stunner. She really was. And he wrote about her in the Gentleman's Magazine, and gentlemen came to visit her. Wordsworth came, Coleridge came,
Wow.
Southey
She
came.
must have been something special.
She was, I do believe she was, she was. Anyway, this scoundrel read about her, and he came and introduced himself as Colonel Augustus Hope. I don't think that is quite his full name. Something Hope, MP. And he was quite a looker as well. Anyway, he courted her, wooed her, and married her.
Oh, I feel sorry for, what was his name?
Augustus Hope. Anyway.
Feel sorry for the first guy.
Yeah. Anyway, yeah, I'll check his name up for you. So, it was reported, because, you know, she was a famous beauty, that it was reported in the London newspapers that she'd married this Colonel Hope. Anyway, people who knew the real Colonel Hope, he wasn't in the Lake District then. He was away somewhere else. So a warrant was issued for his arrest. He escaped, went to South Wales, where he was finally apprehended, and he was charged under his real name of Hatfield, and he was taken to Carlisle Assizes and found guilty and hung.
Oh.
But not because of bigamy, because he had 4 children by somebody else in South Wales, not because he was a scoundrel, but because he cheated the post office, because as an MP he was allowed to use the post office services for nothing.
Oh, so that's why he said he was an MP?
Yes.
Cheeky writer.
Yeah, and that's why they hung him, for cheating the post office.
Oh dear. And what happened to the poor lady, the poor beauty?
Well, she married a guy and they managed the fish down in Buttermere for a while, but then they moved to Colbeck and she died in 1837, having had 4 children with her new husband. Yes, I think she was, you know, it's one of those happy ever after stories.
Well, I'm glad it was happy ever after.
Yeah. But lots and lots of people have written about her. Melvyn Bragg wrote a book, The Maid of Buttermere.
Oh, right, okay. So I have heard of the Maid of Buttermere.
Yes, that's her. Well, innominate town.
Ta-da.
I think it needs a bigger da-da.
It's quite a sad name, Anonymous, isn't it?
It is. and people wanted to name it Wainwright Town because it had no name, which I thought was rather silly, but anyway. But this is almost hallowed ground to people who follow Wainwright because of this. This is Haystacks, this is his favourite mountain, this is his favourite little town, and this is where he asked for his ashes to be scattered after his death. And he wrote in Memoirs of a Fell Walker, "If you, dear reader, get a bit of grit in your boot as you cross Haystacks, treat it with respect, 'cause it might be me."
Remind me not to breathe in.
Yes.
Did he ever say why this was his favourite mountain?
I don't think so. The fact it's surrounded by giants and it's just a wonderful place to explore. I think he spent hours and hours up here just going to every single little knoll, every corner. And it is called Haystacks.
Yes.
It's not haystack. And so there are lots of places, especially the big buttresses that actually face down into Buttermere. Lots and lots to explore.
Yeah, you can imagine him spending all day sketching here, can't you?
Yeah, just lost to the world. And when he was recording the BBC series, they managed to get Wainwright here.
Nice.
And apparently it was a really horrible day. And Wainwright would go wandering off and people would be worried as to where he was. And he knew exactly, even though he was losing his sight, exactly where he was. And he was smoking his pipe upside down so the rain wouldn't extinguish
Stop
it.
the wind getting in, brilliant. We've been lucky today. I think we've had all 4 seasons.
Yeah, we have been lucky. Yeah, the only time it rained, we were indoors. That's very lucky. Yeah. But we have to go to the top. You can't come here and not
Nearly
go to
there.
the top.
Nearly
yes,
there.
It's obvious. But it's been very popular today. The number of people we're seeing on the footpath is just...
Yeah.
I hope they've all come for the right reason. You know, that it is dear Mr. Wainwright who actually brought them here. Yeah. Yeah, it's a good place to come and think about him and what he managed to achieve.
It is pretty stunning.
Well, this is the summit? Or is that the summit? Or is that the summit?
I need my spirit level.
Yeah, well, I think we'll call it. I've always called this one the summit.
I'll take your word for it, but we'll do that one on the way out.
But we managed to avoid the weather until now. Yes, well, just when we get on the summit.
Just look that way, it's glorious.
Yes.
I wouldn't bother with that direction at the moment though. Ooh.
But we've got it to ourselves, so we can't object. Yeah.
Nice. Thanks, David.
So we need to just head off safely now.
Afternoon.